Cloves are aromatic flower buds that have been used for centuries in traditional medicine and cooking. They offer a range of potential health benefits due to their rich nutrient and phytochemical content. Here are some of the health benefits associated with cloves. Rich in antioxidants. Cloves are one of the most antioxidant-rich spices. Antioxidants help combat oxidative stress and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Anti-inflammatory effects. Cloves contain compounds like eugenol, which have anti-inflammatory properties. They may help reduce inflammation and alleviate symptoms of inflammatory conditions. Pain relief. Cloves have been used for their analgesic, pain-relieving properties. They can be applied topically or consumed to help relieve toothaches, headaches, and muscle pain. Toothache relief. Cloves have been used for centuries to relieve toothache pain. The active ingredient in cloves, eugenol, has anesthetic and antiseptic properties that can help numb the pain and kill the bacteria that cause tooth decay. They can help combat bad breath, reduce oral infections, and soothe gum inflammation. Digestive health. Cloves may aid in digestion by promoting the production of digestive enzymes. They can help relieve indigestion, bloating, and gas. Blood sugar control. Some studies suggest that cloves may help regulate blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity, which can benefit individuals with diabetes or those at risk. Antimicrobial. Cloves have natural antibacterial and antifungal properties. They can be used to combat infections and may help prevent foodborne illnesses. Respiratory health. Clove oil is often used to relieve respiratory conditions such as coughs and asthma. The eugenol in cloves may help relax the airway muscles. Cancer prevention. Some research indicates that the compounds in cloves may have anti-cancer effects, particularly in reducing the growth of cancer cells. Improved liver health. Cloves may support liver function and help detoxify the body due to their hepatoprotective properties. Skin health. Clove oil may be applied topically to the skin to address issues like acne and skin infections. However, it should be used cautiously and diluted to avoid skin irritation. Weight management. Some animal studies suggest that the compounds in cloves may help reduce obesity-related issues by affecting metabolic processes. Bone health. Cloves are a source of essential minerals like calcium, iron, and magnesium, which contribute to bone health. Here are some ways to consume cloves. Add cloves to your cooking. They can be used in a variety of dishes, such as curries, stews, and stir-fries. Make clove tea. Steep a few cloves in hot water for 5–10 minutes. Chew on whole cloves. This can help relieve toothache pain and freshen your breath. Add cloves to your smoothies or baked goods. It is generally considered safe to consume cloves in moderation. However, if you are pregnant or breastfeeding, or if you have any underlying health conditions, it is best to talk to your doctor before increasing your intake of cloves.